Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the color of an SVG icon in Webflow. So let's get started. We'll start in Figma. If you already have your icon or button design there, that's perfect. Find the icon you want to use, right-click it, and choose Copy as SVG. This will copy not just the image, but the actual SVG code behind it, kind of like copying a recipe instead of just the finished dish. This is important because we'll need that code to change the color in Webflow. Next, switch over to your Webflow project. Instead of uploading the SVG as an image, we'll embed the SVG code directly. Find the spot where you want to place your icon or button, then drag an embed element from the Add panel onto the page. Think of the embed block as a container where you can insert custom code. Click inside the embed block and paste the SVG code you copied from Figma. Then click Save and Close. Your icon should now appear on the page, but it may not have the color you want yet. That's okay, because this is where the customization happens. Now, decide what color you want for your icon. Here's a quick tip. In Webflow, you can use the Style panel to test different colors. Select your icon or button, go to Typography, then Color, and experiment using the color picker. Once you find a color you like, copy its hex code, that 6-digit code that looks something like #492FF. Next, double-click your embed element again to open the SVG code. Look for the word Fill. This is what defines the color of your icon. You'll see a color value next to it. It might be a name, hex code, or RGB value. Replace that with the new hex code you copied. This tells the browser to display your SVG icon in your chosen color. Click Save and Close, and you should instantly see your icon update to the new color. And that's it. You've successfully changed your SVG icon color in Webflow directly from Figma to a fully customized element on your website. It might feel a little technical at first, but once you try it a few times, it'll become second nature. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.